kids, welcome back to Alchemy Online Class. This is Nikita Barik. I really hope you all are doing well at your home, staying safe, wearing mask and taking all the precautions that you can. Okay students, so in my previous video, we have started with the Dal Delight topic. I've explained you 2 pages of that and I will give you a very quick revision what we studied in our previous video. The topic was only, the story was revolving around Sadiq, Muhammad Qadir and Nawab Hasan Ali. So Sadiq was the son of Muhammad Qadir. Muhammad Qadir was having his food stall where he was cooking. He was frying kebabs on angithi. And what Sadiq was doing, Sadiq was brushing off all the flies from the platter of biryani. Meanwhile, they saw a very rich person was coming towards their shop. And who was he? Nawab Hasan Ali. Nawab means the king. So king was coming to the food stall to see what this cook is famous for. Cook, who was the cook? Obviously Muhammad Qadir. So he asked Muhammad Qadir, what are you best at and what are you cooking? He said, right now I'm frying my kebabs and I cook dal the best. Dal? Nawab Hasan Ali got surprised. That cooks, many of my friends are praising you that you cook, you are a very good cook and you cook dal the best. Sir, Huzur, he replied. This who replied? Muhammad Qadir replied, Huzur, I cook so many dishes, but dal is, as you asked me, the best dish what I cook, then I cook dal the best and you haven't tasted the dal that I cook. So what type of dal do you cook? Nawab Hasan Ali asked. This Muhammad Qadir replied, I cook urad dal the best. It is made up of many delicious ingredients that will take 1 day for me to prepare. So Nawab Hasan Ali asked to serve it with the dal, serve him with the dal. So Muhammad Qadir said, no Huzur, I can't present the dal to you right now as it will take 1 day for me to prepare, as it is made up of very different spices. So I need 1 day. For tomorrow's lunch, definitely I'll present my dal for you and you have to come to my food stall for eating that dal. I'll serve you with the hot urad dal. And Nawab Hasan Ali, though he got angry, but he didn't react at that time. He said, what if I get late? So Muhammad Qadir was a rude person. So he said, if you get late, either I'll serve it to the poor person or poor people, or I will throw that dal. Oh, like that? Then definitely I have to come tomorrow to eat your dal. So Muhammad Qadir said, sure Huzur. Okay, so after this incident took place, Nawab Hasan Ali went back to his Haveli and the Sadiq and Muhammad Qadir went for shopping during the evening. They went for shopping as they were about to prepare urad dal for a Nawab. So obviously everything needs to be so good quality and I can say highest quality. So they went for shopping in the evening. Sadiq went with his father to help him. They brought cinnamon, cardamom, turmeric, so many things. And for ghee, they brought green crisp leaves for the chutney as well. As this Muhammad Qadir was also going to prepare one chutney that was made up of green crisp mint leaves. And meanwhile, what happened? A servant that accompanied this Nawab Hasan Ali in the morning met to this Sadiq and Muhammad Qadir. He asked, Adab Qadir Miya, how's your shopping going? So this Qadir was not fond of talking so much, so he just replied Adab. And he said, yeah, it's going well. And the Sadiq just smiled towards the men. And Sadiq asked, your Huzur seems too fond of eating. Fond of eating? The servant replied, no, he always takes out the flaws and he always takes out the lookouts from the person who is new in the food stall. Oh, is it like that? But what if the person cooks the best? Sadiq asked to the servant. Servant replied, if a person is cooking at its best, then obviously the Nawab Hasan Ali will get impressed and he will reward with the best. What reward did he give in previously? So this servant replied, previously when a cook prepared pazanda and pulao in Aminabad, he gifted him the whole food stall, that is the whole shop he gifted. Whole shop. Sadiq was totally amazed by looking and by getting to know that he gifted the whole shop. And Sadiq started dreaming, oh my god, what if my daddy cooks? And he was totally sure that yeah, his father was going to cook more better, or I can say good as than pulao and pazanda. He was damn sure about it. And he dreamt of, and Qadir Mia called to Sadiq, let's go back to home. So Qadir and Sadiq went back to home, but meanwhile going home, this Sadiq was dreaming of his reward. Early next morning, Qadir and Sadiq went to the food stall to prepare the urad dal. This Sadiq went with his father to help his father in chopping onions, peeling off the onions, grinding the turmeric and preparing ghee as well. So Qadir was ready with all his dish. What was the main dish he prepared was dal. With dal he also added few more things to make it more beautiful and delicious. He made cucumber raita, kakori kebabs. In dessert he made firni to impress Nawab Hasan Ali. And as soon as it was prepared, the Sadiq took a sneak taste of all the dishes and especially of dal, and he was shocked by eating that it was utterly delicious. The dal was literally so amazing. So Qadir just turned towards his son and said, Beta, please go and call to Nawab Hasan Ali, as the lunch was totally prepared. So what happened, this Sadiq went to Haveli of Nawab Hasan Ali, and he told to the servant of Nawab Hasan Ali that the lunch is prepared and my father is calling Nawab Hasan Ali to the shop, or I can say to the food stall, to have his lunch. Servant said, go on the top of the roof, and the king, that is the Nawab Hasan Ali, is busy in flying kites. You only go and call Nawab Hasan Ali. Sadiq said, okay. He went upstairs and watched Nawab Hasan Ali. He was flying kites. He interrupted Nawab Hasan Ali and said, Huzur, will you please come to our shop, that is our food stall, to have your lunch? He said, Nawab Hasan Ali asked to Sadiq, who? And he remembered that yeah, he is the son of Muhammad Qadir and he is asking to come and taste the dal. He said, wait, can't you see I'm flying my kite? And the Sadiq said, you are flying kite, Huzur, but you have to come for eating dal. And one of the friend of Nawab Hasan Ali said, forget about the dal. Have a look to your kite, it will cut it off. One green kite will cut your kite. So better have a look to your kite. Again the Sadiq interrupted to Nawab Hasan Ali and said, Huzur, please come for dal. My father is waiting for you. Nawab Hasan Ali got angry and he said, can't you see I am flying my kite? And again that friend also shouted on Sadiq that can't you see that Nawab is busy with some work? But here Sadiq was also very upset. Why he was upset? Because he was aware about his father's temper, and also one side he also wanted the reward that he could have got from Nawab Hasan Ali. But all the dreams were seen to be faded away. Why? Because Nawab Hasan Ali was not ready to come to that minute or that spot to come to the food stall and taste the dal. And he was aware about his father's temper, that if the Nawab Hasan Ali will not reach on time, this Muhammad Qadir will pass on the handi to the first poor beggar that he will come across. And this, meanwhile, going back to the home, Sadiq was going back from Haveli to his home, or I can say to the food stall. And what he observed, that Aman, one of the friend of Sadiq, he was also flying kite near his home, that is home lane. So what he saw, he also reached to the roof. He reached to the Aman and asked for a favor. What favor did he ask? Can you imagine? Yes, obviously. What he asked, he said, Aman, do me a favor, cut this blue and silver kite, who was flying that blue and silver kite? Nawab Hasan Ali. Okay? Okay students, now I have few questions for you all. We will try to discuss this question and answers. And what you have to do, you can also note it down somewhere in your notebook. Okay, let's have a look to the first question. The first question is, who had come to Sadiq's shop? Sadiq's shop means Muhammad Qadir's shop. So who came? Nawab Hasan Ali came to the Muhammad Qadir's shop, or I can say Sadiq's shop, accompanied by two servants. Two servants also came to this Sadiq's shop, that is food stall. Second question is, who was Muhammad Qadir? What famous dish he cook? What famous dish did he cook? Muhammad Qadir was father of Sadiq, the little child Sadiq, and who was he? He was a famous cook. And what best dish did he cook? He cooked urad dal the best. What dishes did Qadir cook? What dishes did Qadir cook along with urad dal? So what he cooked? He cooked this cucumber raita, he cooked kakori, kebabs, he also cooked potato and cauliflower vegetables, and in dessert he cooked firni. All this dishes he prepared for Nawab Hasan Ali. Let's go to next one. What kind of dal did Qadir make? Qadir made Shahi Urad dal. Why did Muhammad Qadir refuse to serve dal immediately? Why he didn't serve the dal immediately when Nawab Hasan Ali asked to serve him? So Muhammad Qadir didn't serve because it requires 1 day to prepare the special masalas, or I can say the spices. So he was not able to give him the dal. Okay, so do read the chapter again, and few more 1 or 2 pages are still left to explain that we will discuss it in our next video. That's all for the day today. Thank you. Have a nice day.